I thought I seen Tim out here. Where would you where am I putting like the firewood? Kind of where it lays?
That thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can just buck it up into maybe like 4-foot sections, leave it right there. I got my tractor down here.
Yeah, we'll keep it in an area where you can grab it.
Weekend project.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Nice. That would have terrified me cutting that.
Yeah, I mean, that was extra. I think the only thing I wanted to pull it is because there were some limbs that were stuck up in there.
Yeah.
So we just gave it a little bit of pressure, but it wanted to go that way.
It did.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This stuff up into like 3-foot sections, stack it right here. I'm going to show him how to paint the tripper. Actually, just show Mason how to paint the tripper. Show him how to do it on the small stuff, and then show him how to do it on the bigger stuff so he knows the concept, and explain to him about the engine and the motor. All right, get in the truck, pull some pre-tension. We don't need much, this baby's little. Little tree. Little tree. Nice and easy when you hit that gas because it jumps when it's on that divider like that. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, hold on. What is that? What's it called? Keep going. Keep going, Kev. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Back up a little bit. More. More. Man, it's caught on the branch. Keep going back. 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 Stop. That stupid ass limb. I can't believe that limb is keeping that rope from not going through. What? No, that branch is what's the problem right now. No, it's stuck in a crotch. I have to reset the whole thing. I'll pull it through. Yeah. It's gonna keep the tree up. That sucks, man. How do I get it to go around that? Well, really, hold on. Once the trees go down, that's gonna keep it up. What's pulling on it though? That's the thing. Okay, so once it starts going, then it's gonna want to fight. But once it goes over, I think it'll be good. Yeah, let's go for it. Put a little tension on it, Kev. All right, hold that. I'm untied. You can pull this through. Right there is good, bub. We ain't going too far. All right there, yeah. We'll make another pile right here, all in here, so we don't have to move it too far. I know. I don't like it. Hold it. Get his tractor and pull this tree out. See if he wants to do it or let me do it. Yep. You know what? We'll leave the stick and we'll get him to help us at the end. We'll top it. Oh, hold on. Hold on, Mason. Is it still tied? Oh, okay. Go ahead, bud. You can pull it now. Cut it right there and then leave the stick there. Hey Mason, so as he's pulling that, or as you're pulling it, you shove it into this bag. cut it right there, the stump. That way we can pull it out. Actually, no. I was gonna say, yeah, because if he could be on here, then he could pull the tip out and turn it. Yeah, we'll leave it for now. like a motorcycle helmet that everything's enclosed and you can just stick it right by your mouth. That's not for this. I got mics though, and I think I'm gonna screw them to the outside with like felt tappers, so that they're on the outside and not getting all bent up. There's some hard charges. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to ask him if he wants to let me use that tractor. I don't think that little tractor is going to be able to pull this stuff out. We're going to have to cut it. Do you want to use the tractor? Or, I mean, I'm comfortable using tractors and stuff. It'd be nice to maybe, if you want to do it, is pull those logs out, and I could cut them out for you, because I left them long so we didn't have to drag them.
Yep.
I have chains and stuff if you want to do it.
Grab it.
All right.
I ain't doing it. You're welcome to it.
Okay. Not enough.